ma'am, and dear my friends. I am Anup, and today we are gathered here for discussing on the topic our duty towards old age person. First and foremost, I would like to say, what is the meaning of old age? We always think that the meaning of old age is the person who has grey hair, the person whose face covered with the wrinkles, the person who is unable to do any kind of work by himself. But I don't think so that grey hair shows the clue of old age person. Because I have seen many young boys under the age of 15 who have grey hair. But we can't say they all are old age persons. So in my view, the meaning of old age is the experienced person. The person who is well known to this world. The person whose blessings are able to shape our lives as well as this world. The experience that they have, we cannot achieve by reading the Gita, Ramayana, Upanishad and whatever the religious books are. If someone asks me, you have two choices. One is to read the Gita, Ramayana. Second one is to touch the feet of an elderly person. So I would like to say without any confusion, my preference is to touch the feet of an elderly person. Because मिलेगा ज्ञान तुमको वो मिला जो ना किताबों में. मिलेगा ज्ञान तुमको वो मिला जो ना किताबों में. बुजुर्गों की महफिल में जरा तुम बैठना तो सीखो. Yes, this is a fact. And I would like to share one more thing with you that nowadays we always denying the decision of our old age person. We always think that nowadays we always denying the decision of our old age person only because of that our parents want we will get the right path in our future. They always try to make understand us, this is right for us, this is wrong for us. But we are not ready to accept their decisions. I'm asking you, why we are not ready to accept their decisions? If our parents bring up us with care and try to give each and every happiness to us, and sometimes our parents fulfill our need after killing their own desires. So I ask you, for what? For what they are doing this thing? Is for that when they are in need of our support at the old age stage, we drop their hands and admit in the old age homes. So do you think so for old age homes our parents bring up us? No, they bring up us for when they are in need of our support at the old age stage, we can be a lathi of them. I mean to say, we can be a stick of them. But what we are doing? We are doing nothing for them. What we are doing? We are sending them to old age homes. What we are doing? We are forcing them to do bhajans and kirtans. I don't think so this is our duty towards old age person. So in my view, our duty towards old age person are, we should respect them if we can do without any kind of selfishness. We should engage them in social work. We should treat them as we treat our kids. We should let them do whatever they want to do. And now, I want your special attention here. Here, I have written a poem in which I try to show the struggle of an old age person. The person who loves his family very much and in spite of doing everything for his family, no one is satisfied with him. Then the result of this thing, he forces himself to commit a suicide. So I am trying to bring his feeling with the help of this poem. So the lines are, which is self-written. The lines are, मैं अकेला हूँ अरे कोई तो आओ मुझसे बात करो. मैं अकेला हूँ अरे कोई तो आओ मुझसे बात करो. जब कोई ना आया तो खुद को ही बहलाया हमने. जब कोई ना आया तो खुद को ही बहलाया हमने. यहाँ खुद उठने के लिए दूसरों को गिरा रहे हैं सब. यहाँ खुद उठने के लिए दूसरों को गिरा रहे हैं सब. मगर दूसरों को उठाने के लिए खुद को गिराया हमने. मगर दूसरों को उठाने के लिए खुद को गिराया हमने. याद है मुझे वो दिन जब नीलाम हो रहा था घर. याद है मुझे वो दिन जब नीलाम हो रहा था घर. तब घर की इज्जत के लिए खुद को नीलाम कराया हमने. तब घर की इज्जत के लिए खुद को नीलाम कराया हमने. मेरा बेटा मेरा पोता मुझसे छीन लिया मेरी बहू ने. मेरा बेटा मेरा पोता मुझसे छीन लिया मेरी बहू ने. तब मैं क्या करता कि खाली झूले को ही झुलाया फिर हमने. कि तब मैं क्या करता कि खाली झूले को ही झुलाया फिर हमने. कि घर का कोना कोना रोशन करने का जिम्मा था हमारे सर. कि घर का कोना कोना रोशन करने का जिम्मा था हमारे सर. जब अंधेरे में चिराग न मिला तो खुद को ही जलाया हमने. जब अंधेरे में चिराग न मिला तो खुद को ही जलाया हमने. इतने पर भी मैं सबकी हसरतें पूरी न कर सका. इतने पर भी मैं सबकी जरूरतें पूरी ना कर सका. फिर खुद की हार मानकर खुद को ही मिटाया हमने. फिर खुद की हार मानकर खुद को ही दफनाया हमने. So I request you all not to force any old age person at the threshold of society. Thank you.